You might have commented on a lot of places previously, but how do you find all those comments? So many places. So in this video, I'm going to show you where you can find all your comments on your Facebook that you have commented on many other places, so that you can just get back to it and see what's the comment and reply that you have. I'm going to show it to you in two places, one in the computer and one into mobile. Before I begin, do subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. When you subscribe, you got more and more followers. And without further ado, let's jump into my computer and let me show you first how you can do this inside your computer. Let's go. So first of all, go to your Facebook account, log into your Facebook account in your computer. Go to top right, click on it, click on yourself, and then you open up your own personal profile. Then you can see there's 3 dots here. Just click on the 3 dots, click on activity log. Go to your Facebook activity, go to comments and reaction, go to comments, and there you can see comments only. Okay, it's very easy to check all your comments, they're all here. Okay, now let's jump into my phone. Let me show you how you can do it. It's quite similar yet not similar. You need to filter, but yeah, let's just go to my phone and let's check it out. Let's go. Okay, first of all, go into your Facebook app, click on the top right, go to your profile, and then you can see the 3 dots beside your edit profile. Click on that, click on activity log. Okay, then you go to your Facebook activity, and you can see here manage comments and reaction. Click on it. And there you can see all the comments and likes that you have. Okay, but if you want to filter to only comments, just click on filter, category, comments only. And there you can see all your comments on Facebook. If you like what I share, give me a like and also subscribe to this channel to get more followers. Thank you and see you next time. Goodbye.